you have a burning question, and that's how much does ClickFunnels pay you as an affiliate? Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to go over how you can exactly get paid through ClickFunnels. Okay, so stick with me, and then at the end of this, I'm going to give you a couple of gems, a couple of things you can go ahead and take away from this. If this is the first time you're seeing me, I've been doing this for a while. I've been, putting out videos for you guys, but also been an affiliate for some time now with the ClickFunnels program, and a couple of other ones before I even came onto the ClickFunnels platform. I was building out a health and wellness Amazon niche site and have grown that one, and since then moved over. But I'm going to go ahead and go over right now. I don't want to waste any more time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow me and get more notifications. So, when I first started, I wanted to figure out, how I was going to make somewhat of an income within the ClickFunnels affiliates program. It sounded nice and sweet, right? It might sound that way to you. You might have already joined, you might not. But I wanted to know also how much it would cost to be an affiliate, and also how much money I would earn as an affiliate, right? I like doing the math. I want to be able to do the numbers here. I do have a health and wellness site, but the numbers are what are important to me. That's how my head works. And so let's go ahead and dive into that. So here you're on my site, which I do affiliate marketing, and I'll go ahead and go over to my blog. And so here, I'll scroll down and get into the actual blog article that I have that will show you more in detail how much it pays you as an affiliate. So I have an in-depth article too. I'm going to link it below so you can get access to that. It's going to be in the description. Make sure you check that out, along with some training and a free course that comes along with it. So if you haven't taken the jump on ClickFunnels, that would be a great way to do so. So point being here, ClickFunnels really just pays their affiliates a 40% commission on just about all of their products. And if you didn't know what kind of products they had, I'm going to go ahead and go over that. And I'll go over that in just a second here once I'm scrolling through. So it's high ticket. You can get paid for products that are over 1,000, 2,000 range, high ticket products. And you can earn a 40% commission on those, which I'm going to get into right now. That was kind of my first time I earned my first $118. I've earned these $118 off of a $297 package, right? You have the $97 a month, and then you have the $297, right? And then you also can start for free for 14 days as a trial. And then there's also a little plan, which is for $19 a month, which is a share plan. If somebody shares a funnel with you, you can get on that shared funnel for $19 a month, which only gives you about three. I think it's okay to start as a beginner, but you'll quickly realize that that's not enough space, especially with what I do and how I teach my students and how I help them out. I have about a 75 page PDF that's all made by me, word by word, and it shows you how to execute being an affiliate with ClickFunnels day by day for about 8 days, and then how to repeat that over and over. And it goes in depth, so hardcore when you join. I don't know how I don't charge for this. Maybe it's something I'll charge in the future for, but it's something you get as a bonus when you join with me. And there's so much more that comes along with it. I kind of detailed it, how it sounds a bit more expensive, and I know if you haven't joined yet, you're thinking, is it beginner friendly, Michael? In a way, I'm not gonna be dishonest with you. In a way, it is. In a way, it isn't. A lot of people get suckered in thinking it's just more beginner friendly when the fact is that anybody who tells you it's really beginner friendly, they're probably just telling you because it's the actual software, like comparing it to other softwares and services that you can use for like quickly dragging a landing page, right? A web page, putting your information on there. That's beginner. It's fast, right? You can do this. You don't have to have technical. You don't need any kind of technical experience. No big learning curve. When you get in the right hands of the right people, and you do things the way you need to. But as far as the affiliate program goes, it's a bit beginner friendly. It's beginner friendly, but then it cannot be. And keep in mind that I say that because not so much the pricing, but it's what your expectations are coming into it. You want to come into it thinking, yeah, I'm going to just hire on every affiliate I can, become an affiliate, go out there and promote it to other affiliates. You can really do that. That's fine. You can make money doing it. I'm doing it that way, and I can do it other ways as well. But you also want to have a niche audience and be able to target, if they're affiliates, like are they beginner affiliates? Are they people who are affiliates of Amazon niche sites? Are they affiliates, like are they Shopify, e-commerce? These people will need it as well. Agencies, other business owners. And I go over that in this article, how to target them as well. And the two-tier program is going to be going away. I think it's probably gone away by now, but here you go. Here's one example of the .com secrets book. You make that initial $1 or no commission, and then you go ahead and make that $14.08, 80 cents on the upsells and another upsell. You see the numbers getting larger on those packages. And the real potential of earning is $967 for just a book if somebody goes up any higher. And you can earn, the 40% commission off of each and every single one of those. And here's more of a video that I put out just about the .com secrets book. But here's another one with the expert secrets, similar to .com. Potential 927. Another little review there. The free funnel hacker cookbook. This is extremely useful at the beginning of your career. You need this. I want to say you do need it because it's going to show you how to use every type of funnel. It's a big cookbook, right? And it shows you how to use every single funnel step by step, and it shows you what they're worth and how to use them. So use that, even though I help you, give you done for you templates. That's really going to go a long ways. And the potential $933.40. And here's just more of the affiliate program, 10x secrets. Here's just some of the other ones where you can earn. It'll be updated a little bit more too, but these are all the different programs you can use and how you can earn the money with them for 40% of them. And here's just one example with the perfect webinar secrets. Your potential earnings for the software secrets funnel. And then therefore, there's more of them. If they're not all on here, this will get updated because some of the Clickfunnels products get updated a lot. More of them come out. Some of them get taken off, but those are worth it. It'll pay you, again, 40% off of whatever package you're on as well. Somebody gets on a $297, $118. Somebody gets on a $97, you're going to get about $38 in return, right? And those add up over time. You start increasing them. If you become an affiliate, all you need is a couple of sales just to recover your costs as well. And I can help you do that quickly, but it's you who has to also see the value in becoming an affiliate and also being able to just use the platform, not just use it for an affiliate side. You try to use it for more than just that, okay? And then I want to get to, I'm sorry. And then I want to get over to, do you need to purchase it to become an affiliate? You don't, but it's much better and easier to connect with your audience and who you're trying to promote it to because they see the value in it more. And you can give them all these free templates and funnels, and it's so much more worth it. And they'll see your worth much more than just signing them on. Because you just sign somebody on, they're going to get lost. You just can't sign somebody and say, here you go, and then never give them support. Your job also is to give them support. Don't ever leave somebody and then that's it. Don't let them buy and then just leave them. get on starting to help them out even more, because then you're just going to start losing these commissions. The retaining rate is going to just drop for you, and you're going to be asking yourself, why is it not working? And then I have other ways. I have a couple people already doing this with me, but I do it's kind of like a rental agreement for those who can't really start it, who can't really pay it, or are in a different program who that want to build their skills out there first and then later move on. So I don't charge them for that rental fee. There is none. What they do is I make a copy of that funnel within the same funnel usually, and I put their own affiliate link within that funnel, and they can use that just as a way to see how this works for them. And when it starts working more for them, and then they're ready to jump on the platform, they get their own funnel that they were using. I know you could read through that in here, so it makes more sense. Just step by steps. I have this viral affiliate box, viral affiliate funnel that will help you get started as well, that I made all myself now. And then there's just so much more different ways that tells you how to get started, how to promote it, so you can make those 40% commissions. It's all in there. And then I talk about versus a let me try it versus out a mindset. So what's your mindset at the moment? If you just think you're going to try something, it's not even worth. If you want to go into it 100%, get into it 100%. Then my bonuses I'm offering here, you can go ahead and look through that. Kind of just said some already in the beginning. So that's all in there. One thing I wanted to say, let's see. I talk even more about strategies in the video here, how to promote it as an affiliate. My viral funnel, right? That's one you can just plug and chug. You get a copy of it. You can copy what I do exactly, and it's ready to go. It's done for you. Just got to go out there and use the network, build a relationship up on the front end, right? Most people get it wrong. Like, I can give you the done for you work. This funnel is already made for you. It's converting. You can get access to it in here, but you have to want to build a relationship and network in the front end, not forget about it and move up. Okay, so that's where most people get it wrong. Like, oh, I give you a 95% done for you funnel, but what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, what's something that you're doing on the front end? And there's a value ladder that I talk about in here, how to be able to use that to build up. Okay, so 40% commissions on all products. To recap, there's more information on them here with the different images I showed you, the books, the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, the Funnel Builder Secrets, all these other ones, how to get on different payment plans, how to even save months and months of it with the Funnel Builder Secrets, which is you can save 6 months of payments and get on that plan as well. Sometimes better than the $97 to $97 a month plan. But that is all in here. Go ahead and take the time to go over that. That'll be in the description again down below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, make sure to leave me a comment. I want to make sure that I'm attending to you, your needs specifically, and that you have everything that you need to be successful with the Clickfunnels affiliate program and being able to get paid out those 40% commissions, right? Because yes, we want money at the end of the day, but my job specifically is to help people out, get them results, solve their problems. I'm here to help people. Doesn't matter how much I make. It just more for me matters how much I can help you out succeed. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thank you.